Hello everyone! Welcome to Art with Miss Callan. Today is Fun Day Friday! I have an exciting activity for y'all today. We're going to be making art and doing a little bit of science. We're going to be making a volcano! Let's get going! Before making the volcano, think about what container you want to use. The height and width will determine how tall and wide your volcano is going to be. It will also determine how much baking soda and vinegar you will need for the explosion. Once you have your container, you can start building the volcano. Get your foil and lightly form the foil around your container. Make it look like a volcano shape. Then add your Play-Doh to the foil. Be gentle when placing the Play-Doh on. Is formed, we can start making the solution to the eruption. Depending on your size of container, you might have to double or triple the recipe. First, what you're going to do is you're going to take your baking soda and pour it into your volcano. So I'm doing 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, you're going to start doing the vinegar solution. You're going to pour vinegar into a measuring cup. I did 3/4. Then you're going to add a few drops of dishwashing soap to add some suds, so just a few drops. Then add a few drops of water. Just like that. Take some food coloring and put it in there. Close it up and stir it together. When that's ready, you can pour it into your volcano to watch it erupt. Oh! Okay. If you'd like to learn more about volcanoes, I have some sources in the description below and the link to the volcano recipe. Don't forget to do your 10 minutes of art a day. Have a great weekend. Thanks for coming to Art with Miss Callan. Bye!